Hello friends and my dear students. So in the series of industrial engineering and work study, we are studying the method study. So today we will see that what are the different charts and process charts are used for the recording techniques. Okay. Myself Subham Awasthi and I am working here as assistant professor in mechanical engineering department at Engineering College Banswara, Rajasthan. So let's get it started. That in the previous sessions we have studied that how to define method study, what are the various steps involved in method study. Okay, but today we are going to see that what are the different situations which contribute for the selection of a task for the method study, and what are the types of job and the relevant technique respectively recording to be used for the method study, and what is the importance of the process chart and symbols, that we will see in our this talk. Okay, so basically in an industry most of the problems are related with these five categories, like product and operations, equipments, layout and personnel. Okay, so what are those problems which must be rectified or eliminated from the production system, that we will see. That selection of a job for the method study, following are the some situations which should be considered for the selection of the job for the method study, like excessive idle machine, manpower idleness for longer time, and the production cost is very high. In these three situations we have to hit that there are some probable job which must be selected and on which method study must be performed for the improvement of that particular process or job. Okay, so for that job you have to select. Then if there is any misuse of resources, bottlenecks in the production lines are you are getting it, or frequent breakdown in the machine, or high rate of accidents, so these are the probable chances or areas on which you have to select that particular job for the improvement by method study. Then excessive rejection of that manufactured goods. Okay, if you are getting excessive rejections of that any kind of manufactured good, then that should be considered as a job for the method study. Then if workers are not satisfied, if there is dissatisfaction among the workers, or poor training and personal policies, then such kind of job also be considered for the method study for further improvement. Okay, so now what are the types of job and recording technique, means on the basis of job how you can say that this type of recording technique must be used. Like if your job is sequence of manufacturing operations, okay, if your job belongs from this category, then you may use flow process chart, outline process chart and flow diagram. These three are the techniques which must be used for such kind of operations or jobs. Then factory layout to indicate the movement of material, then you may use outline process chart, flow process chart, flow diagram. Then someone say that what are these process chart and diagram, that we'll see in the upcoming sessions or during these sessions as well. Okay, what are in detail of this particular charts and how you can develop such kind of charts and graphs, okay, which are the recording technique in the method study. Now if your job is related to the factory layout to indicate the movement of workers, then you must use flow process chart man type, string diagram for the man, then travel chart for the man. So in this way you can record this particular job movement, okay, which is the recording technique, or you can say record step in the method study procedure you can complete. Now the next is workplace layout. In this what you have to do, workplace layout, if you want to modify or your job is related to the workplace layout, then you must consider any of these or one or two of these: flow process chart, material type and man type, two hand process chart, multiple activity chart, cycle graph and chrono cycle graph. So these are the charts which you have to consider for the selection of the recording technique. Okay, you can record that type, and after that recording you can start examine the particular critical examination of that particular job. Then you can go to develop, then after developing a better method or improved method you can go for the implementation, then you have to maintain that thing. So this is all about the recording techniques. Okay, and if your job is related to the gang work or automatic machine or operation, then you must select multiple activity chart, flow process chart for the machine, and while if it is related to the material handling, then you have to select the flow process chart, flow diagram and string diagram. Okay, so this is the way you can select. Now we will come up to the chart very soon. Okay, so this is all about the way you can select your recording technique, as well as what are the different criterias for the selection of any job that you have gone through as of now. So in the next session we will try to cover this chart, what, how you can develop the chart, how you can prepare those charts. Okay, so we'll come up with the next session soon. So till that time, stay tuned with Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel for more such updates about different branches of engineering like mechanical, electrical, civil and computer science engineering. Thank you so much for your patience hearing. If you like this content, just hit the like button and do visit again for more such updates about different branches of engineering. Okay, and we will come up with the next topic of preparation of charts and diagram, or I will say how do you can record the jobs related to the method study, that we will come cover in the upcoming session. Thank you so much.